Hello and welcome sa panibagong episode ng Katarantaduhan Podcast. This is your boy, Erwin.
It's your girl, Isabel.
It's your girl, Pat.
And it's Kyla.
Okay, are you guys ready? Or meron pa kayong...
Ready.
Ready for something wholesome.
Anong hula niyo pala? Ha? Wholesome?
Bembang na naman yan.
Hindi, ano nga hula niyo? Ikaw,
Yan na naman.
anong ang hula mo?
Ang lalaswa ng mga confession na.
Ako, I'm
Okay.
hoping wholesome na.
Okay.
Talaga.
Confession. Napkin. Hello, I am male. There was a time pumunta kami sa isang cafe with the girl I'm courting. We spent a couple of hours doon talking about life and stuff. She mentioned na she was having her period that time. And that when we were talking, she told me that she can feel the blood coming out. She also had friends na dumating sa cafe noon. And they came to sit with us at our table. When she went to the bathroom, I asked her friends what should I gift her for her birthday. They suggested flowers and a handmade gift. We all spoke for a couple of minutes, and I realized she was taking a bit long inside the bathroom. So that made me think that maybe she was changing her pads. Eventually, she came out. After a minute or two, nagpaalam ako na o-order ako ng additional na drink. But instead, dumiretso ako sa bathroom. I looked for the trash can and I saw her used napkin. Kinuha ko at inamoy ko. Shit, ang sarap pala. Ganito pala ang amoy ng puki niya. Marami siyang dugo sa pad noon at inamoy ko. Wala namang amoy, pero grabe, may mga parts ng pad noon na mabaho. Kaya alam kong amoy ng puki niya yun. Plano ko sana iuwi yung pad kaso baka magtagal kami sa cafe, kaya iniwan ko na lang. Yun ang confession.
Akala ko wholesome.
I didn't say it's gonna be. I just said hulaan niyo kung
Nag-assume ka
wholesome.
kasi.
Kadiri! Ew!
Sender before anything else. With wings ba yun? Na modest? Or...
Anong brand?
Kasi kaya ko tinatanong na kung modest with wings, putang ina, strap mo sa mukha mo tapos gawin mong mask. Hayop ka.
Uy, baka ma-sponsor tayo ng napkin.
Always.
Gusto ko yung sisters. Pag magsa-sponsor po kayo, gusto po namin yung sisters.
Actually, I wanted to know, sa Pinas ba uso yung tampons or not?
No.
Yeah. Kasi para sa'yo, sender, paliwanag niyo ano yung tampon since kayo ang babae.
Pasok mo yung parang rocket ship sa Pepe.
Parang rocket ship.
We're gonna go.
Hindi, I barely wear tampons kasi.
Ako pag
Pads ako
nagsuswimming. Like, tas may period.
No, hindi ako marunong
Yeah.
swimming girl.
Oh. Hindi, I mean like nasa
Bababad
beach,
ka,
ganyan. Siyempre, minsan na nga lang nasa Boracay,
Yeah.
may period pa, malas talaga.
So yung tampon is like, ano ba siya? What do you call
It's
that?
like, parang siyang cotton na pad na
Yeah.
straight lang siya. Malit lang, mga ganito
Oo.
lang yon. Tapos, you insert it. Tapos, pag nag-soak up siya ng blood, mag-expand siya.
Oh,
How do you pull
okay.
it out?
You just pull it out. It's not as big. Hindi siya mag-expand na parang ganito kalaki. Mga
Yeah.
ganun lang.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So ngayon, sender, narinig mo na. Ngayon, alamin mo kung saan sa Pinas nakakahanap ng ganyan. Tapos ibigay mo dun sa, kung may, yan ang trip mo, yan ang kink mo. Tapos after ng period ng babae, gawin mong tibag.
Kadiri!
You know why I say that? Puta, inamoy nga niya yung napkin sa basurahan.
Actually, so
Eh, hindi
gross.
nga niya alam kung sa babae yun.
I know.
Eh,
What
parang
if
sa
it's
lola pala yun.
Yeah.
Nagme-premenopause. Oh,
Oo nga, what if nga nun?
how do you even know that's hers?
Yeah.
Maybe
Right?
yun lang yun nandun.
Di ba? Actually, grabing kamanyakan yun. This is a good question. How would you guys, like what would you guys do kung yung manliligaw nyo, ganun yung ginagawa?
So gross.
It's a no for me. No thanks.
Like, gano'n pa kakaalinis yung intention niya sa'yo. Pero niya, babe, ito kasi yung kink ko eh.
Pass.
Walang malinis. Madumi yun.
Ikaw, Kyla.
Speechless siya.
No. Kasi, I don't know if you, like, TMI, but ang baho kayo ng period blood. Like, you
Yeah,
know,
it's like fishy.
especially, yeah, it's fishy.
Like, amoy patis, ganun.
Hindi naman, pero
You know,
it's...
like yung parang especially pag like your first few days.
Yeah?
Iba
Malansa
yung,
siya.
Iba yung amoy, yeah.
It's not like
What the
fish,
fuck?
malansa lang siya. Like,
Mako, what the fuck?
Fuck.
it is gross. Kahit
It
ako
is
nadidiri
gross,
ako.
Yeah.
Like yun nga eh, di ba? Like, as you guys say, na parang sobrang masangsang siya or malansa, how the fuck does anybody get turned on just because gusto niya lang maamoy yung kifi ng babae?
Ew.
Like, alam mo yung desperate
Yeah.
measures? Oh, alam ko galing sa kifi niya yun. That's the only way I can smell it.
Kadiri.
Uy, pero alam mo, now that I think about it, kasi di ba, hindi. Kasi, baboy.
Best isang cafe kayo nagpunta.
Hindi. Ito ha. Alam mo yung minsan, yung scent nung tao na, like, for example, if you're in a relationship, alam mo yung sa morning, yung hindi ka naliligo, ganyan. Pero if you smell them, you don't mind it. Like, it's actually, it doesn't smell good. It's not bad.
Yeah.
It's just amoy hindi naligo. Pero, gusto mo yung scent.
Nung amoy nung asim.
I think it's, di naman asim, grabe naman. Parang, ano ba, pheromones ba yun? Pheromones?
Ano the term?
Basta, like, they say that the person that you like gives off a certain scent or odor na very unique sa kanya and you like it. And it doesn't necessarily mean na mabango.
Or mabaho din.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pero, na-attract ka lang dun sa scent.
Bella Swan.
Hindi ka.
Ganun yun, di ba?
But
Sobrang
kinda.
attracted siya sa scent.
Hindi, pero kasi kahit kung ako, halimbawa, boyfriend ko, ganyan. Alam mo yung sa morning, hindi mabaho, hindi mabango, but it's just his natural scent.
Yes.
Na pag sa iba ko na amoy, maligo ka be.
Yeah.
Pero pag sa someone na
you
you like or you love, it's nice na parang, it's comforting. So, yung pala psycho din ako, no? Ang advice, ang takeaway para sa akin, therapy.
Confession niya pala, no? Confession ni Heart. Nagtatagal, ikaw nagsulat ng confession ni Heart. Pero kasi ibig ko sabihin, kahit ako coming from a guy, like kahit gano'n ako pa gusto yung babae, putang ina, hindi ko gagawin
Diba?
yun. Like, tangina, like there's no fucking way na, tangina, just imagine, like, hindi man ako mandidirhin sa dugo or anything, but you just fucking know na that's a fucking regla.
Ew.
And why would you even go and
Ew!
Belle hates that term, by the way.
I know, yeah.
like yung
Regla.
Yeah.
and the way I visualized na
Yeah.
ginawa ni Guy yun, he probably smelled all different parts. Kasi sinabi niya, may ibang
Yeah.
parts na mabaho daw, na ina-anticipate niya is galing dun sa kifi.
Oh my
Alam mo, feeling
goodness.
ko ano yun, yung fetish.
Yeah,
It's
again,
actually,
of course.
like, it's probably a kink. And to think, gusto pa niyang iuwi gagawing souvenir sa trophy room.
Ba't mo yung uwi?
Di ba? Like, if you think of, like, sinabi niya, di ba? Gusto
Yeah.
nga daw niyang iuwi kung hindi lang sana sila magtatagal dun
Yeah.
sa cafe. Pero talagang malala sa akin dun is, how do you even know if that was hers or not?
That's
Yeah.
Di ba? Paano pala yun yung nagagawa ng coffee dun? Or
Yeah, yeah.
O what if hindi lang sa babaeng yun? Like, baka...
may ibang
Hindi, baka
customer.
no, I mean, baka talagang trip niya yung mga ganun.
Oh,
Mga napkin.
yeah.
Hindi lang.
Maybe.
Diba? Like,
Ah.
you know, maybe sinabi niya lang, type niya tong girl na to right now. Pero, malay mo, meron naman pala talaga siyang fetish sa mga ganun.
Oh, I
You know,
see, I
it's not
see.
really
Crazy.
yung...
Like the girl-
attracted
the
siya.
girl-
Yeah,
the
it's not really
girl.
the girl. It's the...
The napkin thing.
yeah, it's her having her period.
Ah.
Ew! Kadiri, ew.
God, dang. God.
You're thinking outside the box.
Of course.
Actually,
That's actually...
go to therapy, Belle. Marami kang thoughts.
I never thought about that actually. Ngayon, pag-usapan natin itong si Sender, ito yung gusto kong sabihin eh. Nag-message siya sa akin after lumabas yung confession. And what happened was, I guess, obviously, since ganito ka earth-shattering yung confession niya, ano siya sa akin na parang lagyan ko daw ng disclaimer na, or i-off ko daw yung comments. So, hindi ko siya nireplyan. There's no fucking way I'm gonna fucking
Yeah.
turn off the comments kasi that's not my problem.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Tapos, ang masakit pa nun, apparently, sila nung girl ngayon. And the girl doesn't even know that he's doing that.
So, ginagawa niya pa rin.
I don't know,
Probably.
maybe.
You probably.
Or malay mo, maybe sa girl nga lang niya, obsessed na naman.
Di
If he
ba?
wanted to, he would.
If he wanted
Sweet.
to.
Hindi hinahanap mo na love.
Guys, ganyan lang naman eh. It's not too much to ask for, diba?
Oo nga. Like, ganon. If he wanted to,
If
he
he
would.
wanted to, he would.
But that's actually, yeah.
Nakadiri.
Doon ako natatawa kasi gusto daw niya ipa-turn off because of the hateful comments. And I'm just like, fuck bro, that's, like, deserve that.
Natatamaan siya,
Yeah.
guys.
Yeah.
That's actually crazy, di ba?
Kasi may nagko-call out na, uy, mali ka.
Like, meron talagang, alam mo kasi yung iba doon, walang filter yung comments na talagang straight up
Yeah.
na, tang ina boy, ano ka na, ganyan. Yung talagang, alam mo yun, like, walang sugar coating. And I
Yeah.
feel like it's, like, don't like, tayo na yung ginagawa mo naman, hindi kasi normal eh.
Yeah.
Who the fuck would think about that? Like, something like that. Like, yung sinasabi ko, what if you found out na nung una man liligaw nyo, ganon.
Yeah.
Obviously, madali yung magagawa ng paraan. paano kung jowa nyo na for a few years tapos hindi niya sinabi sa inyo? Like, let's say, Bella, 7 years na kayo, hindi mo alam. Mag-8 years.
Kadiri! Ew!
And then you just found out, Bella mo ba nung
Sumisingot-singot
nung
pa rin yung
nililigawan
jowa.
pa lang kita, nakita ko yung Modest with Wings mo. And then,
Kadiri!
ngayon,
But do you still do it now?
I can forgive you,
Because
but
it was 7 years ago. You know, a lot of things happened already.
tapos ang sinabi niya, it smells the same thing.
Oh my God!
Kadiri.
Sabi niya, yeah, ganun pa rin naman from last week.
Yeah. Tapos sabi niya, nagpalit ka ba ng scent ng PH Care recently?
alam na alam.
Oh my God. Pero nga, anong gagawin niyo daw? Like, i-break niyo kung halimbawa, long term na kayo. Then you found out about that.
Oh.
That's so gross.
That
Yeah.
is-
Yeah,
I don't
isa-isa
know.
kayo. Okay, sige, sagutin niyo. O ikaw, Kyla, ikaw yung muna sinasabi. Ikaw yung madaldal. Tapos pag rolling tayo, hindi ka nagsasalit.
Kasi nakaka-speechless naman yung mga confessions mo. I
Yeah.
just didn't expect. But, if like long-term na kami, tapos na...
Yeah. Napakita naman
I
niya may
feel
good
like that would
intention
ick
siya.
me out. Like, you know how, okay, like you did that before,
Uh-huh.
but in terms, we were already like, yung beginning pa lang tayo.
Yes, yes.
Like, I was already involved in a way.
Mm-mm.
That would ick me out. I would see you differently for sure.
Even though like you guys are 5, 6, 7 years in together.
Sex baka mo?
No,
Yeah.
like that would just ick me out because
So that's enough for you to just walk away from the relationship even though it's long term.
tinatapak-tapakan na nga ako. Hindi pa rin ako
Hindi ba nag-walk out?
So no, maybe no. But
No.
like that would definitely make me like the thought wouldn't go away overnight.
Yeah.
Like it would make me like think like holy fuck, that's fucked up. That's messed up.
Like I see. Yeah.
It would take time for me to
Yeah.
but take accountability. You know?
Yeah.
Don't be
Yeah.
asking me to turn off comments now.
Yeah.
Take accountability.
I know. Ikaw, Bella, like 7 years turning 8 years.
7 years turning 8 years.
Or 8 years na kayo kahapon, October 3rd.
Actually,
Oh.
I'm not sure yung count. So,
Yeah.
I think 8 years, pero it would bother me. Pero kung ganun nakatagal, I don't think I'm gonna leave him because of that.
Yeah.
But I would help him, you know, get over it, maybe.
Di mo na ipapakita ko sa mo tinatapon.
Hindi sa ganun. Pero like, no, for me, I mean for me, ang first step to healing sa pagiging ganun niya is to actually acknowledging na ganyan ginawa mo, it's wrong.
Mm,
You know, hindi siya normal.
Yeah.
And maybe I'll help him see na mali talaga siya and hindi talaga siya dapat ginagawa. And maybe, just maybe, magbago siya. But I don't think it's enough reason para iwan siya. And itapon like your 8 years. Pero Eman, please, wag naman! That's just so kadiri.
Wala, because
that's it.
nagtataka ka biglang sabi sa'yo ni Eman, Bebe, bakit wala nang wings yung bill? Normally with
That's
wings,
just so
ah.
kadiri. Ew.
Yeah. O ikaw, bestie.
Same as both of them.
Kung ginawa ni Heart, anong gagawin?
Grabe. Hindi, I'm just thinking. Kasi, like, if it's 1 year together, wala pa siguro kami masyadong pinapagdaanan. Pero pag super long term, you'd kind of, it's in the cycle of forgiving people then, di ba? Like,
Yeah.
when you have a partner, may gagawin silang medyo icky or iffy. Tapos maisip mo na lang, is it enough for me to not go on? Kung it's a good relationship.
Yeah.
You know, maybe he was just curious. Di ba? Maybe naamoy ko rin yung brief niya. Alam mo yun? Like, it's just balancing it
I
out.
guess. Hindi lang siya ganun kalala kasi hindi siya talagang kadiring part ng katawan mo.
Diba? So, I don't know. But yeah, like Belle, you just kind of have to recognize na it's not something that normal people do. And then you just help them through it. And tatanungin ko siguro, ilang beses mo ginawa yan?
Yeah.
Ayun,
Gosh.
pero grabe na mahal ka.
Guys, if you want
Mahal na mahal ka, sinama sa sagot gulaman.
Yeah.
Bebe, kulang ng gulaman eh. Pero kasi the thing is though, hindi ko justify yung ginawa niya. Kasi why I say this is because it's quite possible na nangyayari siya, tas nasa long term, and then you've seen your partner or yung guy na he has probably like the purest intentions, and yet meron siyang quirk na ganun.
Yeah.
So that's why I wanted to know kung is that enough for you to get, like parang deal breaker na agad pag gumawa siya ng ganun?
No, pero di ba parang minsan din naman nakaka-addict amuyin yung puwet mo.
Okay.
Wait, hindi mo inaamoy yung puwet mo? Ano? Hindi mo inaamoy. Pinapaamoy mo pa nga sa iba? So, alam mo yun, may mga scent siguro nga talaga na, alam mo yun, sometimes, you
No,
just
but we do
like
it for
smelling.
fun. We do it for fun to each other.
Yeah, I know. But I'm saying is, ayun mo yun, baka ganun lang.
Ang gagandang mababoy.
Ang tanong ka, bakit di mo pinapaamoy yung puwet mo?
Sa'yo nga, and you may do it
see?
to me too. Tanda mo nung kinulong mo yung otot mo, ginanon mo kay mami. Oh, who is that?
That's Bea.
Oh, sorry. Never mind.
Yeah, so that's actually, like, what's kind of, parang what I find to be really weird kasi they're in the courting stage.
Yeah.
So, what makes, like, naisip ko agad na, like, who would know if he does that sa lahat ng niligawan niya in the past?
Well, that would change it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Really change it.
Iwan ko na lang pala.
Let me change my
Sorry, akala ko kasi ako lang. Akala ko I was so special.
Yeah.
Na para kung ganun pala ginagawa niya rin sa iba. Ew.
Never mind.
Yeah.
Bala ko dyan.
Kasi
For
yun yung,
7 years.
kasi yun yung naisip ko na, well, not necessarily dun sa long term nyo. Parang pumasok lang ngayon sa isip ko na, oh shit, okay, nililigawan niya pa lang to. So what if ginagawa niya pala yun sa lahat ng girls na interested siya and that might be his turn on or something like that. So I guess that would change the whole conversation for you guys kung nasa long term kayo.
Yeah.
Tapos nalaman niya na ganun pala yung ginagawa niya.
Wait lang. I feel like it's easy to ask us. Pero ikaw, bestie, nagkaroon ka ba ng curiosity on what it
Smells like?
smells like, looks like, whatever?
Actually, like, yung may one time, ito yung first exposure ko. Like, I know the word na, like, may period,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So then, I believe, maybe first year high school. Tapos, unfortunately, naiwan ng yaya ko yung kanyang dun sa may, well, naka-roll yun na ha.
Yeah.
So, I know what that is,
Yeah.
but it grossed me out.
Yeah.
Mono.
Yeah.
Kung sila ay sa Soberano.
In-enroll mo.
Kung sila ay sa Soberano. Maybe. But no, probably
Yeah.
not. Like, tangin na.
Like, nadiri ka at
Like,
even just the side of it.
looking at it, because I know na, putang ina, let's just say, alam mo naman, nakadiri ang tae.
Yeah.
Sa akin, alam ko na, it's
Yeah.
like tae. Yung ganon. So, I don't necessarily have to smell it.
Yeah.
Para, like, tsaka, wala akong, parang, what's in it for me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wala kang ganun eh. Like, wala sa, let's say, hindi ko naman kink yun. So,
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wouldn't do it. So, yun yung parang, I don't know, like, yeah. So, I guess, actually, we can also go back sa sinabi ni Belay na what if siya yung tipo ng guy na mahilig talaga sa,
Mang amoy ng napkin?
yeah.
Oh my God.
What if yun pala yung nakuha nung,
Deal breaker.
yun ang nakuha nung naging jowa mo?
Oh my God.
Kasi every month lang siya may excite sa'yo.
Actually,
Eh, paano kung irregular ka pa?
ay, oo nga. Every 4 months. Malas.
Kung ang malas naman,
Kaya nga.
Actually, hindi ko alam bakit may mga ganitong klase ng tao. Putang ina.
Tapos sila na, no?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. And actually, you know what? Yung real, yung real reaction ko nung nag-message pa siya para i-turn off ko yung comments was, actually, like nung inamin niya na sila dong girl. Kasi I feel like parang, hindi ko alam kung tinatry niyang i-soften yung impact.
Yeah.
Na, hindi lang sa nililigawan ko siya before, so kami na ngayon. And I kind of feel bad for the girl.
Yeah.
Na, what if she found out na, tangina, ginagawa mo yun during the stages ng nililigawan ka pa lang. And I feel like, parang in essence for me, merong kamanyakan dun sa,
Yeah.
kasi gusto niya malaman yung amoy nung kifi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hindi siya in it for the napkin.
Hello.
He wants to
True.
smell
Oh,
the kifi.
ew.
Kasi yun yung sinabi niya, di ba? He smelled parts of it na medyo mabaho daw and alam niya yun yung amoy nung kifi ni girl.
Ew.
So, obsessed siya dun na makuha yung kifi ni girl or maamoy.
I mean,
Yuck.
Di ba? If you think about it, like if
Yeah.
you actually, like parang i-digest yung sinabi dun sa confession, right? So, Belay, maaring hindi lang sa napkin siya na-on, kundi talaga dun sa...
Oh my God. And alam mo yung mga fetish na nagpi-period, pre-period sex?
ew, that's a
Ew.
fetish?
It is a fetish.
Also, that's a thing?
Seems
It's a
messy.
thing. Yeah, but people do that.
Well, I guess
Really?
Yeah. Because now that they're together,
Yeah.
Ew.
Like, I don't know. Can I be honest? I'm not too mad at Kuya. Kasi
That's
wala
fine.
namang naapektohang iba dun sa ginawa niya. Like, manyaki siya, okay, fine. I mean, si ba hindi? I mean,
like, just being real though.
fine. But if you think about it, if you think about all the other confessions that you got, lalo
Yeah.
yung sa Tumblr, imagine mo yun
Yeah.
yung wala siyang nasaktan though dun sa ginawa
Right,
niya.
Yeah.
Yeah, like,
So-
in the logical sense, maganda nga yung point mo. Kasi I feel like yun din yung sinasabi niya na kung bakit parang gusto niya sabihin na, kami na, and it's not like I raped someone. Yung
Yeah.
ganong feeling.
Yeah.
But in the sense, medyo weird pa din. But
Yeah,
tama ka nga dun
it
sa
is.
sinabi mo na,
Pa-confess ka, tapos ngayon.
like, di ba? But
Yeah.
totoo naman. Pero hindi ko naman gina-justify yung ginawa niya. Kasi I feel like, siguro kung i-rate natin kung gano'n ka-fucked up, yung ano niya, from 1 to 10, siguro neutral.
Yeah, I was
Yeah.
at a 5,
Yeah,
maybe.
me too. Me
Yeah.
too, 5 lang.
Yeah.
Neutral.
5 lang.
Kadiri tayo, we should get it.
Honestly, tinapon na naman ng babae, hindi niya na property yun.
Technical na tayo
Actually,
dito.
property na nung
Kung sino namang
topic.
makalimot.
Oo. Di ba? Actually,
Tinapon mo sa public
technically,
space eh.
Property na ni kuya yun.
gusto nga niya iuwi, lalagay daw niya sa trophy room niya eh.
So thoughtful. Nag-recycle siya.
Yung 3 R's, reuse,
Gamit.
recycle. Di ba? But yeah, actually, I don't know what, like, kayo, feeling niyo ba sobrang fucked up nun? Sa mga hindi pa sumasagot. Ikaw, Kyla. Para sa'yo. Kasi sa kanila, neutral lang
It's
sila.
pretty fucked up because what if the girl's insecure of the smell? Because, hey,
Yeah.
sometimes we're insecure of the smell. Like,
Yeah.
you know.
Would
we
it
just-
throw you off? Kasi like, what he's trying to smell is not the pad
period,
or
yeah.
the period, but rather kung saan galing yung period. Or you would find it, ooh, spicy.
I wouldn't find it spicy. It's odd.
It is odd.
It's
yeah.
pretty odd.
Yeah.
Kaya mo yan, girl.
Girl, it's just, ew.
Paano kaya ginawa mo? Nilagyan mo ng kunwari sardinas.
Ew.
Tapos amoy
Tas
niya.
tinapon
Tapos
niya.
sabi niya, ang bango pala ng pepe.
Hindi kasi malansa din naman ng sardinas
Yeah.
kasi, di ba? So if you think about that. Anyway, mag-take away na tayo. Sa tingin nyo yung kapupulutan ng aral.
Take away dito.
Pagbibili kayo girls with wings para sa mga guys na ganito. Hindi, actually joke lang yun. Honestly, I don't even know. All I gotta say is, on behalf of all the guys, I'm so sorry. Kasi I feel like, nilet down kami ng isang comrade namin eh. Witangina. And I honestly don't know kung some girls would just be okay with it. Kasi sabi nga naman ni Pat, it's not as bad. Like, really, if you think about it, like, it's not as fucked up as the rest of what we actually speak on
yeah.
dito. So, it's not harmful. And maybe it's also not that harmless. But
Yeah.
it all may depend. Doon sa sabi nga ni Kyla na what if sa kanya, hindi siya okay na inaamoy mo yung
True.
something personal
Yeah.
like, sa kanya.
Boundaries, yeah.
Yeah, 'di ba? So, yeah, I would just be like, Kuya, aminin mo siguro sa jowa mo yan. I
Yeah.
think you owe her that.
Accountability, yeah.
You owe her that truth, I feel like. And tanggapin mo kung ano sasabihin niya sa'yo. And sa ibang babae, I guess, it's really hard. It's scary. It's a scary world kasi hindi mo alam na yung nanliligaw sa'yo might be the greenest flag. And hindi mo alam na naiwan mo lang, na tinapo mo yung napkin mo or iniwan mo yung tumbler mo dyan. Hindi mo alam na may mga ganong nangyayari, di ba? Like, they are masking it off. They're like, walking in sheep's clothing. Like, wolf walking in sheep's clothing, di ba? So, I don't know. I'll just leave it at that na maging maingat na lang siguro talaga kayo but I guess you'll never know.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kayo, anong masasabi niyo dyan?
Me, I'm not mad at Kuya, to
Yep.
be honest. Again, sa akin kasi at the end of the day, if wala ka namang na-hurt and it's not like you're, I don't know, it's not like you acted on it, like nung naamoy mo, bigla kang na-turn on bigla, tapos nang rape ka or something. Trip mo yan, go, I guess. Medyo kadiri, to be honest. And like what, Bestie was saying, I think you gotta admit it. And if the love is real, then maybe kayo pa. Pag hindi, sorry sa advice.
Malay mo, masabi ng girlfriend mo, ay, shucks, gano'n niya ako kalab. Like, di ba?
O, di ba mali mo ma-appreciate?
Actually, baka sabihin din ng girlfriend, actually, sa to lang, inamoy ko yung brief mo, no?
Different.
Malay mo,
Why is it different? That's still his
different.
brief.
Yeah.
Hello?
But napkin is with...
Hindi, paano kung inamoy niyang brief, yung may ipot niya?
May skid mark.
Merong igit.
Ew.
Pero yung brief niya, property pa rin niya. So, technically, yung girl
Kaya
yung mali
nga.
pag ganun.
Sabi niya, inamoy ko kasi Calvin Killenny.
Yun lang sa akin.
O, Bella, ibanatan mo.
Wala naman ako masyadong may advice kay Kuya. Kundi like, I'm with you guys. I'm not mad at Kuya. It's true. Hindi siya nag-act upon sa kamanya-kanya or whatever. Baka nagpapasaya talaga sa kanya is napkin. Hindi, bakit? Like, that's not judge. Yun ang nagpapasaya kay Kuya. Papasaya sa atin, milk tea, fine. Kay Kuya, napkin, okay.
Gamit, ay, let me correct you. Gamit na napkin, ha?
Okay, gamit na napkin,
Oh,
okay,
yun.
Kuya. But yeah, I think kailangan mo siyang aminin.
Bella, wait, sorry to interrupt. Do you want easy money?
Benta
mong
ng napkin?
Benta mo yung used napkin mo.
Ibenta mo na, hindi mo naman naanuhin na yun eh. Ako
Sino
na lang benta
bibili?
yung kanya.
Oo.
Benta ko yung kanya, guys.
Ano benta yung sa'yo?
Oh, actually, benta nyo parehas, tas mag-ibang scent. Oh, Bella, ito lang yung sinasabi mo.
Well, for me, aminin na lang ni Kuya dun sa girlfriend niya. Kasi girlfriend niya na ngayon. Kasi it would be nice to actually have a relationship na honest. You know, there's something wrong. Mali yung ginawa mo, pero it might not be super wrong.
Maybe, yeah.
You know,
yeah,
you know what I mean? Like,
Yeah.
hindi naman siya maling-mali na, oh my gosh, napatay ka or
May
whatever.
krimen.
Yeah,
May
so
crime,
it's not
yeah.
like that. So I feel like it's forgivable.
It is, yeah.
Di ba, malay mo talagang sobrang type na type mo siya, hindi mo alam kung paano
I-express.
i-express. And ayaw mo na may madamay na iba or
Yeah.
madamay siya. So, I think okay lang yun. And I think mas magiging okay yung relationship nyo if aaminin mo na ngayon. Kasi lagi ko sinasabi sa mga podcast natin, if aminin mo na ngayon, you would actually have time to move on and heal.
Aminin mo na sa itong confession.
Hindi po talaga akin to. Sure na, promise.
Hindi nga sa'yo, kay Emma naman.
Kadiri talaga, Eman, please wag.
O,
So, yun lang.
Ate Kyla.
oh yeah, it's forgivable, but take accountability in my part. Because, yeah, you don't want to be in a relationship where like, you know, like yung he's just taking that as a secret.
Yeah.
Like all along.
Yeah.
True.
Like, and I know whatever the comments are saying is hurtful, but you did it to yourself. You confessed.
Mm-mm.
Sorry, I guess. But no, take accountability. Admit what you did wrong. Well,
Paano kung ginawa yun ng ex mo, babalikan mo pa?
Yes.
I do. Pag gawin niya, babalikan ko. No, I'm just kidding. It's fine. We can work it out. Like, okay, it's
Send a
fine.
message.
Tingin nga, tuming ka dun. Oh.
It's fine. Just come back home. Hindi na ako galit. Joke lang. Wow, tawang-tawa kayo Tawang-tawa kayo. But yeah, yun lang.
Yun lang. Okay.
Yes.
Wala na kayong masabi, girls? That's it? Thank you guys for tuning in dito sa medyo baboy na confession. And medyo madugo. And this is your boy, Erwin.
It's your girl, Isabel.
It's your girl, Pat.
And it's Kyla. Rar.
Until next time, peace.
Bye.